Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, in today's video I'm going to be doing a recreation of Jaclyn Hill's makeup tutorial. I saw Thomas Halbert do a video where he recreated a Jeffree tutorial, and then Gabby, aka The Gabby Show, she did a Nikki Tutorials tutorial. So I thought, you know what, I want to go with Jaclyn and we're just gonna see how this goes today. We want to go glam, honey. Okay, we're just gonna go with the rose gold and purple smoky eye. Now, I'm literally going to try my best to forget all of the knowledge that I already have regarding makeup, which is gonna be hard. I've got my beauty blender because I know she loves a Morphe sponge.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi, I want her background.
Let's just see you right here.
Jaclyn, can you send me that background, girl?
Some sort of vibe that I'm very into.
Buffering. Australian internet for you.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this new Morphe palette right here. This is the 3502. I know a lot of
Oh, wait, no, wait, I don't, oh fuck, no, I don't have the 02, I have the 350. Fuck, I don't have it. I only have the 350, so Auntie Jaclyn, we're going with that today.
I'm disappointed, so please keep in mind if you're someone who doesn't want to
Fuck the haters, girl, you don't need them. Oh wait, she has her base already done. Hold the fuck up. Jaclyn, we need a full face tutorial, boo. Hold on, let me find another one. Drugstore affordable fall makeup tutorial. Done.
Alright, so first I'm gonna prime my skin. I'm gonna be using the NYX Angel Veil Primer.
Oh, I think I have that. Hold up. No, I don't. I'm using Too Faced Hangover RX. Drugstore, yeah, cute. My vertigo has been playing up a lot today, so I thought it'd be a great idea to sit down and film a video.
This Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation.
Oh, I have that. Hold up, shut up, Jaclyn. Wait, bitch. Oh no, I have it. Got it.
I've heard such great things about it, but I haven't.
I've used this maybe once. Oh, she's just putting it straight on, done. It's gonna be really light. Hold on, girl. Let me start up. Oh my god, that is so pale. She's literally just pouncing it over her face. Hers matches her skin though, but you know, that's gorge. Okay, this foundation smells amazing. I'm gonna look like The Grudge by the end of the tutorial.
Gosh, the coverage on this foundation is absolutely redonkulous.
It kind of is. Let's go. Next step, Dal.
I'm not even kidding. This foundation right now on my skin.
It looks good on you. I look like death, but yeah. She's
This
painting it
wand
straight
is
on.
so delicate. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like stinging my eye. Oh crap. Oh crap.
Oh my god, I forgot how much coverage this has. Fuck me, alright.
Foundation, concealer combination that I think I've ever seen on my face before.
I literally look like fucking death right now. I'm gonna use MAC NC35 Studio Fix powder to hopefully bring some warmth back to my face. And she's just like tapping it over. So I'm gonna do that.
My brows are now done and—
What? That was fucking 2 seconds! Alright, hold up. Let me get back to brows. Wait. Okay, she's just... Okay. She says it's like the Anastasia brow definer, and I have the brow definer. Now, how is she? She's just literally just combing through the bitches. Alright, let me get my mirror. This is literally what Jaclyn's doing. She's just like going through the entire thing.
brows are now done.
Brows are done. Alright, so she's using her beauty blender and she's patting some shit under her eye. I got some shit I'm gonna pat under my eye. I usually never bake like under my eyes because it makes me go really dry. She's like going in with that translucent powder, girl.
Created by some bitch.
Oh, she's using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't have that shade, hold on, bitch. The shade she looks like she's using is like that. I don't know.
Yellowy orange shade first is because once we have on all those other colors, this color—
Okay, she goes like, Jaclyn, stop it. She's like going back and forth like this, just like the entire time. Okay, I kind of feel like that looks good.
kind of on top of that color.
She's doing like this. Oh wait, she's going out like this.
I always start off—
She's literally like putting it all over her lid as well. I'm just gonna fucking do that too. So she looks like she used something like this. This is just how it's gonna be, I think.
Diva, which is, oops, sorry, right here. You have no idea.
She's pretty. Actually, I think I have a Morphe pressed pigment that's similar. Kind of a mix between Room Service and Bitter. So I might end up mixing these 2 shades. Where's Fix Plus? All right, Fix Plus. Probably the one thing that I actually have. Oh, wow.
This color!
Oh, she's doing, okay. All right, so she goes all the way across. Oh yeah, there we go.
This really deep matte green right here.
Oh damn, that is a dark matte green. Okay, go. Oh, I don't have a deep matte green. Jaclyn, if you're watching this, can you send me a palette, please? Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go into Subculture maybe. Maybe use Access. Oh fuck, this is gonna end horribly. She's using that same brush that we first used, so I'm gonna do the same. Okay, so she keeps just dabbing it. Oh, there she's blending. She's blending. Okay, she's blending. She was just doing this. Okay, so she's literally just like, ow. Ow. Oh, fuck me. Oh my gosh, she didn't have black in her waterline.
For this look, you could do black in your inner rim, or you could do nothing in your inner rim.
Done. No, she doesn't curl her lashes. She's just doing everything off camera, this one. Okay, alright, let me put a mascara how I usually put a mascara. Okay. So I'm using some lashes that I can't talk about right now because they look like the ones that Jaclyn's using. So I'm gonna put these ones on. I feel like that helped a lot. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so Jaclyn's using like a darker face powder to, by the way, the lighting's still adjusting. My bad, my battery died. Okay, so Jaclyn's now contouring and bronzing and she's just like pushing shit up into her cheekbones. That's what I'm doing.
Highlight, I am thinking I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Precious.
I think I'm just gonna go in with the eyeshadow. Why not? M510? Yep, M510. Okay, you can't see shit. So honestly, that highlight reminds me of Forever Young from the Nicole Guerrero palette. Oh yes, there we go.
I'm just covering texture on my left side.
Oh, me always, doll.
Sanctuary.
Don't have that either. This looks really similar. I just found this last night. This is a NYX Liquid Suede in Brooklyn Thorn. This is literally the exact same shade. Oh my god. So guys, this is the end. This is the finished look, the finished result of the Jaclyn Hill I tried to copy a Jaclyn Hill makeup tutorial video kind of thing. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna call this. I kind of want to fix it up so that way it does look like hers. So I go in with Forever Lit from that Nicole Guerrero palette. There we go, because her highlight is beaming. I am gonna blend out my crease a little bit more because she looks a bit messy, so I'm just gonna go back in with that first transition shade. Okay, that's a lot. That is a lot, Jacob. And just like that, one cheek can go fucked, the other cheek can look stunning. Okay guys, so that concludes this video. I look crazy. I need to take off this lip color because I look like I'm dead. This was actually such a random video. I wasn't even meant to film today because I'm not feeling the best, but I felt good enough to film and we filmed. Of course, this is no hate or no shade to Jaclyn. I love Jaclyn. I think she's such a talented artist. This was just me wanting to recreate one of her looks because I thought it was a fun tag to do. Jaclyn, if you're watching, we should like be friends or whatever. Like you should like follow me on Instagram and stuff. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, especially on Instagram so you can see what I have been working on. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully I will see you in the next one.